Good morning. Today is Monday, June 22nd, 2026. I am here at Marina San Pablo, and this is a before video of the hull cleaning for the 27-foot long Pursuit, also known as Liberty Risk. Well, I don't really see a lot of growth on the hull. Your water line definitely needs to get cleaned. There's a lot of residue there, especially on the transom and on your brackets. Your running gear does have a film on it, so we'll go ahead and clean that up and get an after video of that. But other than that, we'll go ahead and we'll get the after video of the water line and everything, and we'll be on our way.